I'm here at my house right now. I'm super bored, so I'm gonna do quick bike check. Okay? So let's just get to it. Okay, first start off with the frame. The frame is SE Wildman frame, 2010. Good frame. It's kind of heavy. It's like the bike's like 26 pounds right now. Forks are the SE Wildman forks too. They're good forks. I haven't had a problem with them at all. Let's get to the stem. Stem is a Mission Control top load stem. I love this stem. It made such a big difference. Highly recommend it. These bars are the Rant N60 4-piece bars, N60, something like that. Awesome bars. I got them 9-inch rise. Grips are the Volume blue and black swirl grips. So far, they're awesome grips. Had them for like a month. Tires, front and back tires, are the Duo HSL 2.4 tires. Awesome tires. Very good for street. Not sure what brand either of the rims are. Pedals are the Odyssey Twisted pedals. I've always ran these. Don't know what cranks. Need new ones though. Don't know what sprocket either. Seat is the We the People pivotal seat. It's an awesome seat. Love it. I have rear cassette, Odyssey or something like that, I think. It's good cassette. I think that's the whole bike. Let's do a quick look over. Anyways, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Peace.